This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vitamin A cream at home. We'll begin by gathering all the necessary ingredients and equipment. Then, I'll guide you through the simple, step-by-step mixing process to ensure a smooth, effective cream. Finally, we'll discuss how to properly store your homemade creation to maintain its potency and how to apply it for optimal benefits. Let's get started. To start, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1/4 teaspoon of a high-quality vitamin A oil, like retinyl palmitate. For your carrier oil, choose around 2 tablespoons of jojoba or sweet almond oil. An emulsifying wax, approximately 1/2 teaspoon, is vital for blending. Also, have 1/4 cup of distilled water, a double boiler, a small whisk, and clean, airtight containers ready for your cream. Now for the mixing. First, combine your carrier oil and emulsifying wax in a double boiler, heating gently until the wax melts completely. In a separate heat-safe bowl, warm your distilled water to a similar temperature. Slowly pour the warm water into the oil mixture, whisking continuously for several minutes until it emulsifies and thickens into a lovely cream. Once cooled to room temperature, gently fold in your vitamin A oil. Proper storage is key to maintaining your cream's effectiveness. Transfer your finished cream into a clean, airtight, dark glass container. Store it in a cool, dark place or even refrigerate it to help it last longer. Always perform a patch test on a small area of skin before applying it to your face. Use a small amount once daily, ideally in the evening. Your homemade vitamin A cream should stay fresh for approximately 2 to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.